Looking for a tool that have a conversation with you or a tool that will help you in producing content without putting much effort? Don't worry. My name is Rahul Chandra and today we will know about an amazing tool known as ChatGPT. Launched on 30th November 2022, ChatGPT is a chatbot created by an OpenAI to assist user in getting their queries answered. ChatGPT is a pre-trained massive data set of text which allow it to understand the patterns structure of natural language. This pre-training allows ChatGPT to generate responses that are more human-like and less robotic. The accuracy and intelligence are beyond anything the public has ever seen, especially considering how easy to use it is. How to use ChatGPT? The ChatGPT webpage is simple, includes an area of the result to populate a text box at the bottom of the page of user to type inquiries. You can question, however, OpenAI recommends inputting a statement for the best possible result. If there's enough information available, the generator will fulfill the command's accurate details. Otherwise, there's the potential for ChatGPT to begin filling in gaps with incorrect data. OpenAI notes these instances are very rare. The brand also notes that ChatGPT currently has limited knowledge of world events after 2021. Even so, you have the option to input queries continuously until you close your browser or reset the thread to clear your previous request. But one thing you need is an account on OpenAI. How to register on OpenAI? You have the option of choosing an easy login with Google or Microsoft account. Otherwise, you have any other kind of email, you can enter it manually. After this, you must enter a phone number. You will then receive a confirmation number which will enter on the registration page to complete the setup. Once you see housekeeping rules about ChatGPT, including potential errors in data, how OpenAI collects data, and how users can submit feedback, you know you have successfully registered. Many analysts have wondered how the power of AI will impact everything, from search engines to novel writing, as a result of the disputes surrounding the use of ChatGPT. We would recommend you to try it yourself and then give a conclusion. Comment down if you have any query, other observation related to ChatGPT and digital space as whole. For more information and engaging videos around digital marketing, do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.